Hello planner peeps, it's Kim Oderkoven, KRO Designs here on my YouTube channel. Today is all about pens. You know, as much as I do, I have been loving my crystal pens. These are the Mommy Lay version. I've got some Pen Gems and some Planner Society pens, and I am in love with them. Unfortunately, they do run out of ink, just like a lot of things, or I want to change them from ballpoint to gel. And so today's tutorial is going to be all about how to purchase the gel ink refills, and I am going to show you how to do that, as well as opening each one of these different types of pens and refilling them accordingly. So let's get started with the tutorial on how I purchased these gel pen refills. You want to guess how many are in here? 50 gel pen refills. You'll never guess what I paid. $11.63 for 50 gel pen refills. Now, I can't attest to the quality and the longevity of them, but the sheer fact that I can get that many for such an inexpensive price, I'm okay with them running out periodically. Now, I did and have tested them for some time, and I'm still going strong. But this is just more of a disclaimer than anything. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right now how to purchase these guys. So here I am on AliExpress.com, and what in the search bar, you want to make sure you have your correct language and ship to. In this search bar, you're going to want to type Swarovski Crystal Gel Pens Refill, or a combination of those words all put together. And then you'll come up with a whole bunch of choices. They all seem to be the same, from the same shop, which is the shop I purchased it from. So there's a 50-piece set, a 100-piece set, or a 500-piece set. So you're more than welcome to pick whatever one you'd like. I always would like to start with the 50-piece set. So I click on that one, and here's the store just to confirm that you have the right one. It's Hope and Peas Box. But if you type up in the search bar just gel pen refills, you'll all get a whole smattering of other stores. The thing you want to look for is 7 centimeters. That is the distance, the gel pen tip all the way to the end. So that's the one you're specifically looking for. Now you just want to make sure you have the shipping. You can choose which type of shipping you want. I am just fine with the e-packet, which is what I used before. If you want it sooner, obviously you pick a different way of shipment method. And then you want one quantity because one has 50 pieces. That was easy. Now while you're waiting, because it does take some time, that's the only negative, that they are shipped from China, and so it does take some time for them to come. But if you're willing to pay for expedited shipping, it may speed things along. My order came fairly quickly. I would say within the ballpark of 3 weeks it took me to get these, but I did not pay for expedited shipping. Now that they're here, let's refill some pens. So we're going to go ahead and start with this pen. This is this Diamond Point 10 pen that we've got here. And obviously here is the split mark. So I want you to go ahead and, excuse me, pull it open just like that. And you'll see this yellow spot up here. It might be black. But the point is that you're going to twist it and pull it out. And here is our refill. And as I stated on the video, these refills are 7 centimeters long. And so that's this distance right here from here to here. Now, did you see how hard that came off? It kind of has a little bit of a tug to it. The gel refills that I do have, when you take off this black part, because you won't need it, I want you to keep this yellow and slide it back on. You'll see that as you slide it on, it's just a little bit on the not so snug kind of thing, but it shouldn't hamper your ability to write. So you see that little red thing? Go ahead and slip that to the side. For extra insurance, and if you feel on the old ballpoint one, there's kind of sticky. It has a type of resin on it to keep this on the actual refill itself. I am just going old school. I'm sure that there's a better and more functional way to do it, but I just roll it in the glue stick, kind of get it gooey, but not too much, because if you get too much, then it rolls down. And I'm just going to stick that gel pen on there. It just adds a little bit of tackiness so that cover stays on there. So now that I have that ready to go, we're just going to go ahead and insert it back into the pen and twist to secure. Then you put your cover back on, and then you're ready to write. And here's a little test run. Let's see how it writes. Smooth as silk. Now we have our pen gems. This is another pen. This is a pen gem. It has this definitive glistening pen, a gem at the top. Some of them actually do say pen gems on the attachment, but this one does not. So in this instance, the detachment part is actually at the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull from this bottom. If you pull from here, you're going to break this and this apart. So you're going to want to pull and kind of twist that one off. As I keep twisting, it comes out just ever so slick. Again, you've got this black one up here. As you can see, the black top is the same as the black refill. So I'm just going to remove the gel pen top cover, that red dot, slide it back in there, twist to make sure it's secure. Want to make sure it's all the way down in there. Okay, if you do have a little screwdriver, you can see that you can screw it on with a screwdriver to make sure it's all the way in there. I will do that if I have issues. For now, it's fine. Then you're going to go ahead and stick this back in here and click away, and of course, now your pen works perfectly. Okay, again, another test. This one is a pen gems. Works great for me. The next pen we're going to tackle is the Mommy Lay pens. She has these wonderful charm pens that are rampant in her boxes. They are also for sale on her website. There are some brand new ones that are out there, including this aquamarine green one, this beautiful blue one, as well as this blush one. To change out these wonderful pens, the point of disconnection again is down here at the tip. You're going to want to open the pen, and I tend to pull as I'm turning and twisting, and it comes off really slick. And if it's open, you just want to close it and it will pop open that top part. Untwist this. Put this to the side, grab another gel pen ink refill, and insert. Again, we're twisting, making sure it's all the way in there, inserting the tube and the barrel back together, and now we're ready to write. Super quick, easy, simple, and you won't break your pens. I've got another order on the way that will be especially for these Villa Beautiful pens, and I'm looking forward to getting them at my doorstep so I can show you how to do this next time. All right, guys, take care, and thank you very much. Bye.